website, this is the website which has got different section, like these are the connections, offers, reports, products, and the different services. These are innovations. Then newsletter. The newsletter what we send every week is also archived on the website, so that one can also go to the website and download and see the things. Then the P services, we write a blog also regularly, and the P exchange, which Aman will take you later. If I want to show you the, say, P innovations, so this is, now there are different innovations, like which one to take this one, say. This is the innovation which is called Wonder tablets, and what happened is this has been turned as a sustainable innovation. This is the bottle with the spray pump, and what happens, it comes empty, and it has got a opening here, this one, and this opening, what happens, people can buy the tablets, they fill the water and put that one tablet and use it. Once it is finished, they just buy those tablets, so they don't have to waste too much of packaging. Otherwise, what happens in the refill pack, when you buy for the bottles, you again buy a big pouch. So it is better than buying the bottle, but at the same time, that is also adding to the environment waste. So now they have come out with a simple concentrated tablets. You just fill the water from the opening here, put a tablets, and this is possible without opening the top dispensing system. And this was uploaded by somebody, Peter Clark, and now the whole world can see. And when you want to look at the, say, P newsletters, so these are the different newsletters, and I'll tell you that if you have any packaging news to submit, you can just come here and you can post your news, and then our admin team will look at it, and if seems to be all right, then we will publish it. And this is how this whole site works, because it's a dynamic model, the information automatically comes in, and then this was our latest newsletter. This is like a dumbbell shaped perfume bottle, somebody send the details, innovative shoe bag, earphone packaging, how the things, multi-marketing display pack, push pack, so you can go through the various things. Then we have the various reports. So the innovations what we have been capturing over the last 4.5 years, we every year we have been putting them together and publishing them. People can buy those all together, or they can visit the website, they can look at that individually. Then lenticulars is a big area with lot of mysteries, so there is a small training presentation, how the basics of the lenticular. Then there's a, on the modified atmosphere packaging, there's a training course which people can buy there. on the PET film sheet, how the PET films are manufactured, what are the different possibilities as a beginner, for the beginners. Of course, the PET suppliers will be knowing it, not for them. But when people come into the industry, they want to use, say, PET film or OPP, and they want to know the basics about it. They can get a lot of information here. So if you have any questions, ask me. There is also a report, we have done it on the aerosol packaging. So you have any questions on the function?
This aerosol packaging, do you have, is it only technical or marketing oriented also?
Technical.
Demand growth?
No numbers. It is basically technical, that what are the different aerosols, how the technology works, things like that.
So what is to be done if I want to know about the growth rate of aerosol tin plate containers?
Then we will have to work more like an individual project,
okay,
customized project of what you are looking.
Usually these type of things, how much time it takes?
Depending, sometimes 3 months, and how wide you want to cover and how much information you already have. Many times company already have some of the information, and they only want to validate or recheck it, or sometimes it is absolutely new, nothing, or sometimes they want to come and join you to when we try to find out. So based on the scope of it, but normally 2 to 3 months.
Depends on the area.
Depends on the area and that how deep you want to go and where to stop, where to find out, but then 2 to 3 months. And it also depends how much work you have already done it and from where you want to take it.
Okay.
From where you want to.
And the cost also will depend on that.
Yeah.
Extent of work required.
The time, basically the time what we spend, because those reports are exclusive to you. They are not then made general and public. Or suppose today your specialty valves come in, tomorrow Volvo comes in, if we want the same report, we said okay, we have it. So that is not there. So that becomes your data, unless we agree, okay, we can use it for others also, then costing will accordingly change.
And what are the difference between the free members and paid members? What are the access for the free members and what are the access for the paid members?
The access difference is only one. All free members can look at the whole website.
Okay.
But they cannot publish their buyer-seller offer. Because if you want to buy something, new pump or a new component for the pump, a new injection molding machine, so you want to publish the offer, you have to be a premium member. But if I am not a member, I am supplying the machine or I want to buy a machine, so I don't have to be a paid premium member. I can just go and respond to it and Mr. Datta will directly get a response. So the
buyers can be a free.
Buyers and suppliers can also be a free, because anyway their products will be listing in the website. The listing will happen. Listing will anyway happen, because like this on the suppliers. So suppliers can also list, but if supplier wants, suppose supplier has come out with a new 360-degree spray pump and he wants to publish it. Okay, please buy this pump from me. He cannot unless he is a premium member.
Okay.
But when he is listing his company, he can do it. So when people will do the search on the site, and if they will see his company, they will contact him directly. So there is a very thin line. There are not too many different levels of membership. Only thing, the free member and the premium member. It's not silver, gold, platinum, you get this, you get that. Not. Idea is that if you want to use the services, publish it, then you pay for it. Otherwise.
And you showed that globally you have 60,000 members.
Yeah.
These includes all our premium members or including premium plus free?
All, both.
If I want to know what is the paid members, premium members out of 60,000?
No, that will not, because that is all the part of our confidentiality. So that is that is what we are not, because we are not differentiating. The differentiation is only to publish the information, to give an opportunity to publish it. Okay, so otherwise from the looks point of view, working on point of view, seeing the information, because we don't know, it's like a mall. You go to a mall You have taken a shop. But the visitors who are coming to the mall, they are free. They can come and buy anything. So when they want to buy something, they look at it, they decide not to buy or to buy or pay for it. But if they want to come and sell, they have to hire a shop. So when you want to hire that services, then we ask you to pay. But for visitors, we don't want you to lose any buyer. So any buyer, any visitor can walk in and look at the whole information, and they can contact them also. It's not that way that if they're paid member, then only they will see their email ID or phone number.
What is your total strength of the your employees? Like that? Is it that you have got a core group and then pseudo core group like that? Just wanted.
Basically, we are a group of 20 people.
20 people.
Yeah.
All are located at one place or spread?
Spread.
Okay.
Yeah. So different, and then what I explained to you, that we have got the outsourcing. These are dedicated outsourcing companies. Okay. It's not that we will work today with this, today with that, because they are all into the agreement, and we are also the council member for the Gerson Lemon Group in the US, which is world's largest consulting platform for every field, in the railways, in the hospitals, in pharmaceuticals, in packaging. And they have about 80 council members across the globe for the different categories. So we are the only company in the world with them who are their council partners for packaging projects all over the world. So that when people want to come and make an investment in India and they want to talk in general, so we get a call, and so a lot of things happen over the phone or some face to face, and they want to know about generally in the country, and so which is a very prestigious thing, because which is a New York Stock Exchange listed company of the consultants.
What is the name of it?
GLG, Gerson Lemon Group. Yeah. So which is again quite a tedious process to be part of them. And in fact, they are big, but in packaging we are the only guys. They make very strong in energy and things like that.
What is the annual membership fee?
Annual membership fee is 4,500.
4,500.
Yeah.
Which is renewable every year then?
Yes. And then depend, if you want more than one membership, then we have some.
Are there different levels of?
No, membership level is only one.
Premium.
Premium, yeah, that's it.
Okay.
But if you say in your but it is to the individual, it's not to the whole company.
No, what about if a company wants to list with you? And,
if the company wants to list as a free member, because it is more of a individualized service, because people will put their offers. So suppose you want 100 people to be listed in your company. You have to give us the name of the 100 people, then we will list all of them.
No, I'm saying as an entity, just the organization is listed with you and is able to maintain rights to publish its products.
Then we have to see what are the suppose you want to do a innovations regularly, you want to do a press release. That
the extent of involvement.
Yes, so we will have to then make you a customized offer for you, where we can say, okay, that these are 10 services available in it, which are the ones you want to
so
take.
There are packages.
Yes, there is nothing standard in that.
Okay, but the basic standard packet which gives the basic facilities is about 4,500 rupees per annum.
Yeah. Okay. But tomorrow, suppose you say you are going to a seminar and you want to publish your event, you want to put
then you build up on that. I mean, that's the basic platform.
So basic, and you want to say you are going to India Packaging, India Pack in Bombay, and you want to visit us, the running banner on it. So depending what kind of things you need regularly, so we can, instead of doing every week negotiation, we can give you an annual package for you, and then you can nominate your champion, and then we'll work with them, whatever new products are coming, everything, and then they can do it.
Okay, fine, thank you.
Can you show a small demo of the buyer offer? Because somebody has asked me in the morning.
Buyer offers. Say these are the offers, like buyer offers. Like somebody called us, they wanted to find out this EP peanuts. whether they are available in the country or not. So he said, no, I want something like this. So he sent us a picture. So when we say, okay, they are called EP peanut, but at the same time, when people look at it, it's much easier than somebody looking for a craft paper. Okay, craft paper is much easier to understand, but they send the pictures. This was this is the tray for the retort, and somebody said we are looking for a specific tray like this, and then they gave us a specification also, and then the picture of the tray has been put, retort trays for ready meals, and the specifications. So if there is a supplier who wants to supply, they can look at this and they can directly respond here. But that's what I told you before, that a lot of people want to do it as a confidential thing. So they have sent us the details, they are our members. But they do not want to disclose that they are coming into the retort food for the ready meals. But they want to do a lot of groundwork. So they sent us the details. So the methodology is, in that case, all the information will come to us, we give it to them, then they directly talk to them. Unless they sign up the full project, they say, no, you talk to them, disclose, then individually think. But sometimes people only want first level, they don't want to disclose. Say, then. So like, not everybody is not giving the pictures. You can, if you want, you can give the pictures. You don't want, don't give the pictures. And these are the different events. Then we have blog where we.
Sir, Sandeep, I have a question on this one.
Yeah.
See, when you are doing this, so you have these offers, right?
Yeah.
So what will happen is typically for someone like me to actually find out, whether there's some offer from my industry. So are these like, for example, kind of searchable? Otherwise, what would happen? Otherwise, what would happen? Because you have got now say 10 pages. 10 pages into 10 offers on each.
Yeah.
So you have hundreds of offers listed. So somebody to actually go and look at each and every offer.
Normally, yes, but it is, so far our database has not become so huge that we classify them into that.
Yeah.
But the way it is happening, when you get your packaging newsletter weekly, the last 5 offers are listed there. So when the newsletter is coming to you on Tuesday, you have a one look at the one pager, and then you see the top line of the offers. If it is of you, you just click it. Otherwise.
So at the moment you are not classifying it?
No, at the moment we are not classifying, and because this, and maybe later, we don't know. So, but when it is coming to you every week, you can just have a look at it on the one pager. If it meeting your requirement, then you can respond to it.
How a buyer find out a suitable supplier on your website? Hello?
Buyer, to find out that, only thing is that he needs to talk to them, because we are not rating any supplier. Only thing he will get to know, there are 10 suppliers. Today he might know, say, when somebody asked us about the craft paper heavy duty, and he said there's only one plant in India, I am the only one, and this is. So we said fine. Then we got something, we put an inquiry. We found out about 10 people in the country with the high-tech machines all over the India, and making those heavy duty triple wall boxes in a big way. And then, so that company who was looking for it, he said, oh, I didn't know about it. So now he got the option of 10 suppliers. Now he can talk to 10 of them and decide. And then he can speak to them and everything. So his opportunity becomes bigger. Otherwise, originally he was thinking there's only 1 or 2 suppliers. This is a high-tech area, automated plant, not too many companies. And the companies who are doing it, they are also not publicizing so much. But they are there. They are there. So it helps you to locate lot of unheard people who are there in the different parts. And this concept is becoming popular because this is not a industry standard concept. There are offers in the lot of website which are multi-subject, and they're very popular, very good. But there again, it is without pictures. Number one. Number two, when you contact them, it goes. You have to fill up the form, and it goes to them first, or to both of them together. So in a one way, it is exposed also, even though they may not be misusing it. But sometimes we got this feedback from some companies that we know those are good, but we don't want somebody else to see it.
Another thing is most of the other websites, they have a lot of traders actually, which again is not a great idea to actually store something. If you go to, like, for instance, you go to indiamart.com or alibaba.com, you get a lot of traders. So you type in one word and you will be 100 suppliers, but out of which 90 will be traders and hardly 10 will be manufacturers. Then you have to do your own sorting to reach the right person.
Yeah.
So I believe in such specific niche websites, that problem can be to an extent avoided.
Yeah, too, and it's not that way that we, because trading also a business. So but the point is they are specified as a agency. So you can decide that whether he's an agent or he's a manufacturer, and then you can decide whether you want to contact them or not. Because without trading also nothing happens. But so, and it's not that way we stop them. But so far we don't have too many traders, agents, and we have more and more people who are directly into it. But if we are also, in a way, we are also the agent for few companies. And all big companies, they have a trading wings. Company like ICI, they always have a trading wing. So from other parts of the world, whatever they manufacture, what they don't manufacture in India, they trade it. But they are classified separately. So when you will go through the connections and say suppliers.
But do you do something on the scanning, how reliable the offers are? I mean, when somebody uploads,
Yeah.
reliability of.
Only members can upload, because only premium. That is the reason we made it.
Okay.
That is the only reason we made it premium members. So if you are a member and you are a paid premium member,
You already know the background and everything.
Full. There's a full details about it. He's a member. You can find out everything. It's not that is the reason we have very specifically.
Yeah. Otherwise, anybody can upload anything.
Then it will be a mess. So only premium members, and premium members are the one who have paid the fee, who was given their full details.
Then you do scanning, initial scanning.
Yes, initial scanning, whose phone numbers is working.
Okay. But suddenly you contact the member and it doesn't exist.
No. If he's not a member, because when he becomes a member, we talk to him over the phone, we email him information, he's responding and he's sending the money. So when he's sending the money, we know he's a real guy, and then he can publish the offer.
With the admin department, because everything is taken care by the
Yeah. So others cannot publish the offer. And the offers which we publish on somebody's behalf, they are also the premium members. So they are also, only thing they want to maintain a confidentiality.
About the technical report, is all the technical report is assessed only by the paid member, or that is a...
No, paid, there are two types of reports. One is on the technical free resources, like this, which is for everybody. And those reports which you saw, the packaging innovations,
like
PT and retort and MAP. So they will not come to you in the 4,500. Only for the premium member will get a discount. So yeah, that is because that is our product out of it. That is, and these are the free reports.
But free report is available for both.
For both. Because if you say from Polyplex you upload some white paper, technical paper which you want to share, and you have, in a way, you are sponsoring it. So you can upload the report here, everybody can download. And like there's a case study, somebody sent it to publish on this quality control elements for the casing.